So here we have one of the Maka machines before it's been decommissioned. Then we'll see on these photographs that we've packaged the machines ready for transport. So everything is on the machine bed, including the control cabinet. Those have been left connected, so the installation the other end is easy. There's a separate pallet with the vacuum pumps to go. You'll need to sheet the machines up, and you'll see here that you can either load the machine with a forklift truck or you can choose to have a crane. We'll organise getting the machine on skates and to the door ready, but everything from there is the buyer's side to organise the loading and the transportation. If you wish to use the forklift, that is available for us to load the machine for you at an additional cost, or as we've said, you can get a crane in. You'll need a low loader because of the height of the machines. There will be a wide load. The CNC machines 1 and 2 have a total width of 2.9 meters, and the CNC machines 3 and 4 have a total width of 3.2 meters. The height of this machine was around about 3.5 meters to the top of the cabinet, slightly higher than the others as it had a chiller unit on the top of the cabinet. I expect the others to be in the region of 3.3 meters in height. So then obviously there's whatever height the bed of the lorry is. I hope this is of help. If you're interested in any of the Maka machines, please email. Thank you.